Hi there, it's David WTI, and this Bestway Queen Air mattress has saved me from lots of storage problems. When we have guests, we like to give them comfortable bed, a bed where I would like to sleep on too. And my requirement for a guest bed is answering yes to a question, would I sleep it on myself? And when I can honestly tell I would sleep on it, that's when I think it's good enough for our friends too. But also, I don't like the idea of a space that is always only kept for guests because this, for example, is also my office. So for me, it's very important that I can easily move things away from my office area and store them away when they're not used. And this Bestway queen size air mattress serves both purposes: comfortable guest bed that is easy to store. And also, when you don't need this as a guest bed, this serves beautifully as your camping bed and gives you clamping instead of camping. And that is my point of view.